أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Which of the following is the first country to print the book? China was the first country who prints the book. Light year is a unit of. Basically, light year is a distance unit, and Sun to Proxima Control has 4.2 light years distance. Which of the following is known as Bird's continent? South America is famous as a bird's continent. Yellow Sea lies between China and Korea. Yellow Sea lies between China and Korea due to its sediment color is yellow in the water. Therefore, this sea is called Yellow Sea and it located between China and Korea. The largest democratic country in the world by population. Basically, largest democratic country is the world is India. What was the actual name of Titu Mir, freedom fighter against British? Nisar Ali. Nisar Ali is the actual name of Titu Mir, freedom fighter against British. Who is the author of the famous book Foundation of Pakistan, which is written on the history of Pakistan? Sharifuddin Pirzada. Very famous book Foundation of Pakistan, which is written by Sharifuddin Pirzada. Pakistan recognized the People's Republic of China in the year 50. Pakistan recognized China in the year of 1950. Balance sheet shows the financial position of a business. Balance sheet is basically a finance term and in which financial position of the business or a company is shown. Which country has the most number of universities in the world? India. This credit goes to India. It has largest number of universities in the world. In 2020, Rajasthan has 50 and similarly Gujarat has 37 universities and such as data is shown in this figure. Red Square is one of the oldest and largest square in Russia. Famous building Red Square is located in Russia. First census of the subcontinent was conducted in 18. First census या मर्दमशुमारी of the subcontinent was conducted in 1881. Anjuman-e-Taraqqiye-Musliman-e-Hind was set up by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in the year of 70. In 1817, Anjuman-e-Taraqqiye-Urdu-e-Hind Act of 2000 as of 2020, which country is the world's biggest opium producer? By the data of the organization's 2020, the largest producer of opium is the Afghanistan. World largest dam made of mud area earthfield dam, Tarbela. Simla agreement is an agreement. Which type of agreement? Basically, this agreement between Pakistan and India, which is signed by Bhutto, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and Indira Gandhi. Haran Desert is situated in. Desert is situated in Balochistan, Pakistan. The province of Balochistan in Pakistan. World's largest man-made reservoir is located in Russia on which river? Angara River. Basically, reservoir is the storage of water and it is man-made storage in Russia, which is largest storage, is located on the river of Angara River. Which planet among the following does not have a natural satellite? In our solar system, it does not have a natural satellite, which is known as moon of the Mercury is 0. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. The disease scurvy due to deficiency of vitamin C. The following is warmest ocean. Ocean basically is the warmest ocean. The following ocean is known as commercial ocean. Most activities are performed in Atlantic Ocean. This is called as commercial ocean. Minare Pakistan was designed by in Murad Khan. Minare Pakistan basically a monument of Pakistan in Lahore and it was designed by Nasiruddin Murad Khan. World famous river Hudson is located in United States. Arak nuclear power plant is located in which country? Iran. Arak is famous nuclear power plant which is located in Iran. Thank you very much.